Hey guys.
No! No! No!
What are you playing too much, man? Let's go. What are we whipping up? What are we whipping up? What are we whipping up? Chopped up chicken thighs, chicken thighs, whatever you want to call them, man. But this has been marinating overnight, seasoned up yesterday. If you want the seasonings, hit me up and I'll private message you exactly what's in there, you get me? But it's just chopped up chicken thighs, seasoned up, left to marinate in this your bag overnight. But yeah, about to get baptized in this oil that's heating up right now. So we're gonna do the whole pot, man. Yeah, all in one pot, we gonna call it. Yeah, bit of rice maybe, bit of white jasmine rice or something. So stay locked in, man. About to test the oil, you get me? That's what we want right there, man. If it ain't sizzling, ain't it? Ain't it? Wooden spoon. The wooden spoon, you get me? Adds more flavor to the pot.
What?
Like it's now 8:47 AM. So this is the early morning whip up. Quick meal prep for work. Or quick meal prep for your busy schedule, your busy days ahead. You get me? When you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready and all that, man. So stay locked in. Trust the motherfucking process. You got to be bullshit out of road. So right now we're just sauteing it a little bit, as they say. You know what I mean? Getting things ready, innit? This chicken's gonna be, really flavoursome and tender and juicy and all of that good stuff, man. You gonna want to do the chicken dance when we consume this, man. What is he talking about, man? Chef Muller up in this, yeah? Full cemetery shit, man. I mean, let it go and cook up and do its thing for a little bit, man. We gonna step back. Let's do its thing, man. Press the autopilot button, you know. Man, as Chef Q would say, flavors for days, man. Bring some of the flavor to you, yeah, into your phone, tablets, your laptops, your computers, whatever it is you're watching the shit on, man. But yeah, it's very easy. Minimal seasoning up in there as well, like, but less is more, as they say. You get me? Hit me up if you want the full recipe, man. I'll private message you that, man. Yeah, I'll private message you this, man. It's a quick prep. Quick prep. Literally, you could jump out of bed and get this popping. Just start it with a wooden spoon, man. Gotta start it with a wooden spoon. Sit there. Smoke.
What?
Smoke.
Stop it. Get some help.
I know you want this. I know you gonna want to try this, man. Like I said, quick, easy, simple, minimal seasoning. Yeah? Well, less is more on this one. I figure I might as well throw some of this in there, man. Some unwashed spinach, you get me? So I have to fix that though. After getting washed off, make that go and cook down in the chicken. Just like that, man. We've got spinach, chopped up chicken thighs, and some jasmine rice. I know y'all love the Jasmine rice, innit? We don't love a bit of Jasmine, huh? We don't. Talk to me. Leave it in the comments. Let me know what your preference is. What you prefer. So I'll let that cook down. Get all the nutrients in there. Let's go. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Press the bell. Don't forget to press the motherfucking bell. How we looking? 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 You want some? You want some? Like I said, man. You want the ingredients? Hit me up and I'll send it to you privately. It's in the recipes. We just, you know, mix and blend as we go. Taste and test as we go. That's how we get the flavors for days, you know. Well, fun in the kitchen, man. You gotta have fun no matter what time it is, no matter what you're whipping up. Hey, yo, Jasmine in the pot, you know. Jasmine just touched the pot. So, basically, it's done. Nah, not quite. Just gotta let the steam off a little bit. Always best to use some rice that's previously been cooked, like the day before. Works a lot better. But you can cheat and use other rice. You know, the little 2 minutes in the microwave, the little 2 minutes in the yeah. Whatever rice you want to have in here, man. Rice substitution, white rice, brown rice. You get me? Whatever you feel like, whatever you fancy, man. But around here, fuck with the Jasmine. Yeah, there you have it, man. Chopped up chicken thighs, added spinach along the way. Jasmine. Together well now. Smoky. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Press that motherfucking bell, man. Don't forget to press that bell. Stay locked in for all the updates. It's all done. Spinach, chopped up chicken thighs, and Jasmine on top. Hit me up and I'll send you the ingredients privately if you're interested in this quick, high protein meal prep.